What's up guys, this is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. Today we are doing unboxing for Samsung latest watch Galaxy Watch 3. It's coming in two different sizes, 41 and 45mm, and it's available in Mystic Black, Mystic White and Mystic Bronze. It's coming with most premium design and health and fitness capabilities, even digital productivity. Features: whether you are a health conscious person or you want to wear as a fashion accessory, so Galaxy Watch 3 is a perfect choice for you. Let's take a closer look. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Here we go on. On the top we have a smartwatch. There is a small box with a user guide and a wireless charger. So this is a 45mm version with iconic rotating bezel. Prices start from $400 to $450 and it's available in two different variants like Bluetooth Wi-Fi and LTE. The Bluetooth one you need to connect with your phone, but for the LTE version you can use eSIM and you can receive the direct call on your watch without having a phone. The elegant design and leather strap, it looks nice and durable. At the same time it's very lightweight. According to Samsung Galaxy Watch, have military grade durability. We have two buttons on the right side. Upper one is back button and down one is for the going back on the home screen. Colorful OLED display with impressive brightness, with Gorilla Glass with anti-fingerprint. If you want to personalize your watch, you have more than 50,000 faces available in the watch, in which 19 already installed. And now they add one more new feature which allow you to customize your photo in Galaxy Wearable. Watch interface is very simple and easy. It's also allow you to always on display, so your watch face can be on all the time. By turning on all notification on, you will receive all notifications. Watch notification interface is quite rich and colored. Galaxy Watch 3 runs on Tizen operating system, so you can pair this with Android and iOS both. In Samsung Mobile, the app is preloaded available. For the iOS, you need to download. Quick reply. In notification, you can also reply with emoji or write a response with a single letter on screen, which works very well. And the best way to reply on the message by a speech, which Galaxy Watch 3 translate into the text. So overall, the level of interactivity with notification Galaxy Watch 3 is one of the best watch available in market right now. When you scroll into the right side on home screen, you can see your all home widgets which is already installed, like health, sleep and fitness tracking, weather information and music player. You can add more widgets like alarm, calendar or list of upcoming events, appointments, contact list, reminder, food calories tracking, heart rate monitoring and more. Widgets are all interactive and looks great. Galaxy Watches comes in wide range of health tracking features. During workout it will show you heart rate and calories burn, and you also have immediate access to the music player in case you want to twist your mood. This time it's coming with 8 GB of storage, so you can add more songs. From the Galaxy Store you can download more fun and useful apps like calculator, remote camera control app and news apps. One full charge will give you 2 to 3 days. It comes with wireless charger and you also can charge this one with Note 20, S20 or S10 or Note 10 with any reversible wireless capability phone by using power share. So this is Galaxy Watch 3, quite impressive and interactive. What is your thoughts about Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 or any smartwatch? Let me know below in comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.